If you are looking for professional supplier of all types of metal melting furnace and casting machine and heat treatment furnace, you can choose COOLDO-CDOCAST Machinery Company Limited. Specialist manufacturer of metal melting furnaces, metal casting machines, heat treatment furnaces, rolling mills, and automatic casting lines in the metallurgical, casting foundry, and precious metal industries. Backed by rich experience and resources, we have earned the trust of a great many clients both at home and abroad, only a sound reputation in the field. We not only offer the machine, but also the solutions and service in metal industry. Our passion lies in helping clients with minimal investments, maximum return. We are committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. And our experienced staff is always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. And COOLDO-CDOCAST is available to offer all you want for precious metal production. 1. Metal melting furnace and metal casting machines and heat treatment furnaces. 2. Turnkey solution for types of metals. 3. Long-term recruitment of global agents together to create a better future. COOLDO-CDOCAST is in line with the spirit of big enterprises to build a brand and adhere to steady long-term business development, at the same time with abundant human resources, strict production management, and business philosophy through the accumulation of experience and unremitting pursuit of the future and improvement. Welcome friends from all the walk of life to visit for guidance and business negotiation.